candlestick patterns, RSI, MACD, retracing pullback, trending market, range consolidations, breakouts, supports, and resistance. Let's try to develop a solid and fundamental technical analysis in just 10 minutes. And you will really be able to know how to use it to improve your trading performance. What's up guys, this is Power of the Coin Today. Thanks for watching. We're gonna have a quick and efficient pickup over technical analysis. I'm sure all of you have heard a lot about technical analysis, but some of you might be overwhelmed by things like candlestick patterns, RSI, MACD, retracing pullback, trending market, range consolidations, breakouts, supports and resistance, and all of the confusing words. How can we make sense out of all this massive complex out there? So in today's short video, I want to break them down step by step for you and make it easy to pick up for you regarding what exactly technical analysis is all about. And you will really be able to know how to use it to improve your trading performance. So let's make it easy to start here. There are surely a lot of trading tools and techniques for technical analysis, but you can simply break them down into 4 major categories. The first category is so-called charts and patterns. This is where you get things like candlestick charts, line charts, bar charts, and so on. And if you want to dive deep a bit more, candlestick chart can be further broken down into individual candlestick patterns. This is where you get things like hammer, shooting, engulfing, star patterns, and so on. So this is the first category about charts and patterns. They help you to identify different market conditions to see if the market is more likely to be trending higher or lower. If it's more like an uptrend, downtrend, or range consolidation. This could be better told by charts and patterns. It's also important to know that candlestick charts and patterns help a lot for you to identify efficient entry and exit point, and also help for your setup of profit taking and stop loss levels. So you will have better ideas in different conditions when facing support and resistance, breakouts or pullbacks, reversal or range consolidations, etc. The second category is the drawing tool. The drawing tool helps you better visualize support and resistance and all the trend lines and trend channels. The drawing tool is on your chart function. You can manage for your customized settings to draw things on your charts. That's how it's called drawing tools. Drawing tool is helpful for you to identify value zones or value areas. This is especially important for day traders with discretionary or price action day trading strategies. Day traders use it to visualize support and resistance, channels and ranges, etc. And further to identify potential selling pressures and buying momentum for your trade setups with more ease and convenience. This is how drawing tool is mainly helpful for you to identify value zones and areas. The third category is trading indicators. There are things like RSI, MACD, and so on. Trading indicators could be very versatile, as there are so many types of indicators out there. We won't go too deep in trading indicator in this short video due to limited time. We just want to brief how trading indicators can help you out from a technical analysis standpoint. Trading indicators can have many purposes. For example, in a 50-period moving average during a trending market condition, the price movement tends to respect the 50-period moving average, when you can expect it to bounce up and down within the area or channel for a number of times. In this case, it helps a lot for you to better identify the value areas. And at the same time, you have tools like Average True Range Indicator, which helps you manage your trade to set up a proper stop loss or profit-taking point. For example, let's assume the price has come into an area of support, but you don't want to set your stop loss just below the low of the support, as the price might spike through it and reverse back up higher very soon. So how could you give it some buffer in order not to stop out too early? You can use a tool like the average true range indicator here to find the historical volatility of the market. It could be 20 bips for Forex market. It could be $5 or something for specific stocks. So once you have identified the historical volatility, you can take that number or that buffer and then just add to the below from the low of the support. So let's assume the low of the support was $100 originally, and the average true range indicator is 5. So you can use the $100 minus 5 to get $95 for the real stop loss point. So this is how average true range indicator can help you better manage your trade to set up a more proper stop loss in many cases. So the fourth and the final category is volume. Most of traders use volume to identify the strength or weakness of a trend. This is to use volume to identify potential degrees of pressure or momentum along with charts and indicators. A trending market goes with possible higher high or higher low. So for uptrend traders who assess volumes for pullbacks in uptrend, they might want to see decrease in volume. And when the price breaks out for a new high, they might want to see increasing volume. And then they will consider the trend healthy. On the other hand, breakout traders would like to see increase in volume, signaling higher probability to succeed the breakouts. This is how volume can be used to play around for technical analysis. So now, you should have an idea about how to use technical analysis for your trading. Although there are so many tools out there, I have just covered 4 major categories here, and there are surely much more subcategories under each of the 4 major. So how can we actually make sense of all these technical analysis tools? No worry, 2 simple guidelines here for your reference. First guideline, please try to understand the purpose of each major category. That's why we just explained briefly for the purpose of each technical analysis category. Charts help you identify market structures. Drawing tools help you identify value areas. Indicators help for your trade setup. Volume help identify market strengths and weakness. You have to understand the basic purposes of these tools first so that you can go deeper to see how any specific tools fit to help you better for your strategies. Second guideline, please take what you need step by step. No need to rush through all the tools and cram all that into your trading at all times. Just go step by step to see which fit your trading strategies and help your performance better. Only select the useful and helpful ones and then prioritize them in your trading. This brings back to the main point again. Understanding the purpose for each tool. Once you know the purposes, you know what you need and what to skip. This is just what a technical trader is all about. Finding tools useful and helpful for your trading and ignore everything else. Everything else would be noise to disturb your trading somehow. Okay, so with all that being said, let's have a quick recap to see what technical analysis is all about. Number 1, charts and patterns can be used to identify market structures and market conditions. There are candlestick charts, line charts, bar charts, etc. And within this category, you have candlestick chart patterns, which is a bit more into micro-analysis in nature. Number 2, drawing tools help us to better understand value areas, to better visualize support and resistance, trend lines, and channels. Number 3, trading indicators help you better manage your trades to find more proper entry and exit points, as well as profit taking and stop loss levels. There are MACD, RSI, average true range moving average, and a lot more from the others. Number 4, trading volume helps assess the strength and weakness of selling pressure or buying momentum to have better stance from any uptrend, downtrend, breakout, reversal, range consolidation, etc. Alright, Thanks for watching today. I hope this is helpful and wish you all the good luck and staying green in your trading every day. Please feel free to leave any of your thoughts and comments down below, and don't forget to smash the like and subscribe button. I'm looking forward to have more sharing with you soon. Until next time, see you.